Evaluate double integral over d 1 by x square plus y square dA, where d is the region between the circles x square plus y square equals to 4 and x square plus y square equals to 16. Let us draw these two circles. The inner circle is x square plus y square equals to 4. Radius is 2. Outer circle is x square plus y square equals to 16. Radius is 4. Now, if you would like to find the area in between these two circles, then you have to find the area of this yellow part. Some of you tried by this way, minus 4 to 4, minus 2 to 2, 1 by x square plus y square dx dy, which is totally wrong. D is the area between the two circles x square plus y square equals to 4 and x square plus y square equals to 16. So here the radius is 2 and in this case radius is 4. These two circles are concentric circles and they make the annulus. This yellow part is called the annulus, the ring-shaped area. So we have to find this yellow part area or the area of this annulus or the area of this ring shape. Now if you try this integral in Cartesian coordinate system, then it will be difficult to work out the integration, because you see the circle's circumference, this one, x square plus y square equals to 16, and if you find the variable x, then it will be square root of 16 minus y square. So it remains in the variable. Similar for the inner circle also. So there is the difficulty to work out. Therefore, what we will do, we will transform this Cartesian coordinate system to polar coordinate system, what we have learned in previous video lectures. So here you see that the relation between Cartesian to polar coordinate system. Relation between Cartesian and polar coordinate system, x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta. The point P, polar coordinates are r theta and Cartesian coordinates are xy. What you have learned in previous video lectures. Now look here, in polar coordinate system, this theta, this one is alpha here, it's increasing from 0 to 2 pi. So the limits for theta will be 0 to 2 pi and the values of r will be 2 to 4. So if we write the limits for r 2 to 4 and limits for theta 0 to 2 pi. And we have to find the Jacobian because when we transform Cartesian coordinate system to polar coordinate system, then we have to multiply by Jacobian. And dx dy will be the modulus of Jacobian dr d theta. And we know that for Cartesian to polar coordinate system in 2D, the Jacobian is r. Then dx dy will be r dr d theta. Now if we see, theta varies from 0 to 2 pi here, and this part, the values of r, the limits of r 2 to 4. How to find the Jacobian already I have discussed in the previous video lectures. Go through those video lectures, you will understand. Now let us substitute all of this in the given question. Integration over d 1 by x square plus y square dA, where dA is dx dy and dx dy equals to r dr d theta. So r values from 2 to 4, theta values from 0 to 2 pi, and 1 by x square plus y square equals to r square. So this is r square. And dA is dx dy, and dx dy is r dr d theta. So 1 r is cancelled. So we have 0 to 2 pi, 2 to 4, 1 by r dr d theta. Now we know that integration 1 by r dr is log r and limits are 2 to 4 d theta. Now this is log 4 minus log 2 d theta. If we apply the logarithm properties, then it is log 4 by 2, that is log 2 d theta. Log 2 is independent of theta, so it is outside of the integration, and integration d theta is theta and limits 0 to 2 pi. This is 2 pi log 2.
For admission and course-related enquiry, please visit college website http://www.svist.org/